I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you
coming up on today's vlog. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is the day my sister's coming. I'm too busy trying to cook and clean the house to make sure it's good. I'm rocking my hair out of I braided it back up. It's kind of wonky, but it's alright. It's alright, you know what I mean? It's alright. My sister's supposed to be here at 2. It's 1 o'clock, so Nutren make me some curry chicken, some coleslaw, rice and peas, and that's it. And then I'm just gonna entertain them for a few and then go on about my day. I went grocery shopping, but I didn't do a grocery haul because it was just one of those random, you know, how fridge is empty. Let me go get the basic because I'm not going to be able to go grocery shopping until Wednesday because the way I did the budget is just... But anyways, that's that. So I'm going to go cook my curry chicken. Say hi, Jola. I really like. Here's my my big niece. She's about to be 18 next year. Well, she's 16 now. This is my Jenna. She's what? You're 10?
11.
11. Hey, and my only nephew. Say hi.
I'm finally out in West.
Look at this.
I finally made it out here. It like
she's too much. But I'm about to feed her so she can go home. She's too much. She's too much. You want to take your jacket off, Mommy? The puppy, he's upstairs. You want to take your jacket off, Mommy? I like your dress. I like your dress. It's so pretty. I love your little dress, Mommy. Are you scared? You okay? Yes. Oh.
So you go to Merle side, see what they do. So just pop up.
What are you guys doing outside? Trampoline. You guys are bored.
Yeah, I'm bored.
You're bored?
There's nothing to do.
There's a lot to do. You can go clean my kitchen.
Where'd Mom go?
She went upstairs.
Look at.
What are you doing?
That's what you say.
Bad, or is it? It's a book.
Look at the book of
Let me tell you about a man named Box Brown. See, he was a slave who escaped by mailing himself to Philadelphia in a box.
No, I didn't take her down in the basement. That was such a short vlog. My phone died. Oh, I like that. Where'd you see that from?
They got right home.
Who got that done?
That's what they had in the house.
Oh, okay. So my sister's gone. I'm about to need to do your hair. I've been saying that forever. My sister's gone. I didn't really pick up the camera because I just wanted to soak it all up. I just wanted to soak it all up and stuff, but I enjoyed her company. We were watching a movie and the power kept going out like 3 times. Our power never go out. Never, ever, ever. The box. Was it the box or the power? Our box just kept going out. It'll come, stop doing that. It'll go out, come back, we'll fast forward to the movie, watch it for about 5 minutes, and then it'll go back out again. And then we had 4 minutes left on it, and we were like, well, I don't know if we want to watch it again. And then we were like, well, it's 4 minutes. What are the odds of the thing doing it again? And lo and behold, as soon as we found the movie back again and put it on, the box went out. They were like, well, it's time to go. So, and the box been on ever since, and it's almost an hour since they left. The box would not let us watch this movie. But I had fun with her. My sister's fun. What do you want to tell Sons? You want banana? Oh my gosh, guys. Why does it look like Maddie's edges? Let me show you guys, because it look like, maybe it's just me, but I think Maddie's edges are growing back. Hold on. Look at this. Doesn't this look like Maddie's edges are growing back? Like, look how full they are. Compared to the other day when you don't want to talk, you still don't want to talk about it? Still don't want to talk? You're not getting any banana. You had everything under the sun. You're not getting any, no, you're not getting any banana. Oh. You want a banana? You want a banana? They're not ready. Can you give her a banana, please, Destiny?
Are they ready? They ready?
Huh?
They ready?
Yeah. What do you say? I'm not laughing. What do you say? What do you say? Sit down. Sit down. What do you say? Here. When someone gives you something, what do you say? Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, go enjoy your banana.
You know Chelo can say hey.
Okay, so YouTube disabled my comments on all my videos. Like, I have over 400 plus videos on YouTube, and the comments on every single last one of them are disabled. And your truly right here is not going to go. No, I'm not going. I'm not doing all of that. I'm not about the life. I get what they're trying to do. I understand what they're trying to do, but at the end of the day, all you're doing is just making the situation worse. Because, you know, I can't stop people from saying mean things or, you know, being a creep. I can't stop that. You know what I mean? And, you know, making me suffer because of someone else's action is just ridiculous, which is just like, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, it's like, if you do go ahead and enable comments on your video and someone says something that crosses the line when it comes to minor children, then they're gonna demonetize your video, and then you suffer because someone else decides that they can't control what comes out of their mouth and their body and all this. And I'm just like, I'm done with this victim mentality where, you know, the victim always suffered. It's always the victim. They're always the one that suffer when someone else choose to, you know, inflict whatever it is they want to inflict on others, and then, you know, the victims suffer. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I'm gonna keep making my videos though, I know that, but it's so frustrating that YouTube can't get it together. Like, they can't get it together. They're like, there is a problem, but right now we're just gonna mass do everything, and then we're just gonna, you know, inflict things on the creators themselves, as if, you know, I mean, if someone is doing that, why don't you ban them? I'm pretty sure you can figure out who's doing it. I'm pretty sure there could be legal actions and stuff like that. Go that route instead of coming my way. Like, anyways, this has nothing to do with me, and I'm over here ranting. Weekends are always short vlogs, really, really short vlogs. And I don't know why, I'm just busy. And there's not much to vlog around here. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today and this weekend. I really appreciate it. All the nice comments about my hair. Someone asked what I use on my hair. I don't use anything on my hair other than a leave-in conditioner and coconut oil to seal in the moisture. Like, right now it's really, really dry, and you can tell it's dry by the way it's starting to clump together. So I'm gonna have to go, and everywhere I go there's light everywhere. Didn't I just turn that? Okay, so my hair is really dry because of the way it's clumping up together. Like, I don't know. So I'm gonna go moisturize my hair and put some moisture in this bad boy. But so far, so good. This is a twist out. Like, I twist my hair and then I pull it out, so it's not my natural curls. Anyways, guys, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen. To my regulars, hey. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.